Hello everyone, welcome back to Pharma Health Insights. Are you sure your pharma equipment really works the way it should? Because just installing it isn't enough. Today, I'm revealing everything you must know about operational qualification, the make or break step in GMP equipment validation that can make or break your audit. Stay tuned as we walk through OQ protocols, real pharma examples, audit expectations, and some critical mistakes you must avoid. And don't forget to subscribe to Pharma Health Insights, your trusted channel for GMP mastery. I'm Rajesh, and you're watching the GMP Equipment Qualification series where we break down URS, DQ, IQ, OQ, and PQ step by step, with real-world industry insights. Today's topic is Operational Qualification, OQ, and we will cover what is OQ, why OQ is vital, how to perform it perfectly, some common mistakes, and how auditors evaluate it. If you have missed my earlier videos on URS, DQ, and IQ, make sure to check out the complete playlist, links are in the description. What is Operational Qualification? Operational Qualification, OQ, is the documented verification that the installed equipment operates according to its intended functions within specified operating ranges. It's not about installation, that was IQ. It's not about performance under real production loads, that's PQ. It's purely about functionality. Example, if you have a tablet compression machine, OQ will check if the compression force, turret speed, and ejection force work exactly as specified under all standard operating ranges. Why is OQ important in GMP? Regulatory agencies like USFDA, WHO GMP, MHRA, AU GMP require proof that your equipment consistently operates as intended. OQ ensures equipment doesn't fail in production when it matters most. It mitigates operational risks before product runs begin. It avoids costly deviations, recalls, and audit findings. Just think about it, if you skip a proper OQ, it's like driving a new car without checking if the brakes actually work. When should operational qualification be performed? After successful installation qualification, IQ, and before you start manufacturing batches for commercial use. Some special cases where OQ needs to be performed additionally, after major equipment overhauls or software upgrades, after relocation of equipment, after critical repairs. Always remember, OQ before PQ. What should an OQ protocol contain? Now, let's go deeper into how your operational qualification protocol should be properly built, so you can get a real-world, audit-passing template. Operational Qualification, OQ, Protocol Key Sections. 1. Purpose and Scope. Purpose. Define the objective of the OQ, example, to verify that the equipment operates according to design specifications and intended use under normal and stress conditions. Scope. Mention the equipment name, model, location, and covered functionalities. For example, this OQ covers the tablet compression machine model ABC 2000 installed in Block A, Manufacturing Unit 1. 2. Responsibilities. User department, performing tests and providing operational expertise, engineering, maintenance, ensuring utility and mechanical readiness, quality assurance, QA, reviewing and approving protocols, overseeing execution, validation team, executing or coordinating testing and documentation. 3. Equipment description should include general description, make, model, serial number, manufacturer's name and address, utility requirements, power, water, compressed air, etc., software and firmware version, if any. 4. Prerequisites. Pre-qualification requirements include completion of installation qualification, IQ, calibration of all critical instruments, pressure gauges, temperature sensors, etc., availability of standard operating procedures, SOPs, availability of qualified operators, safety checks completed. 5. Test plan, test procedures. These are the heart of OQ. Each operational feature must be tested systematically. Test name, clearly name each test. Objective, what are you testing? Methodology, how exactly will you perform the test? Acceptance criteria, what results are considered acceptable? Observed results, actual readings, results during testing, pass, fail status, final assessment. Typical tests to include control panel functionality, startup and shutdown sequences, alarm checks, such as high temperature, low pressure, emergency stop functionality. Normal operational parameter verification, for example, RPMs, pressures, temperatures, safety interlock functionality, power failure and recovery simulation, software validation, for equipment with control software. 6. Critical alarms and interlocks testing. Confirm that safety alarms trigger correctly under failure conditions. Confirm that interlocks prevent unsafe operations, for example, machine won't start unless doors are closed. 7. Data recording and forms. Attach pre-formatted data sheets for recording test results. Include space for date, time of test, tester's name and signature, reviewer's name and signature, observations and comments. 8. Deviation management. Define how deviations, such as a failed alarm test, are recorded, investigated, and resolved. Include deviation numbering system. Please note, every deviation must have a kappa, corrective and preventive action, if necessary. 9. Summary and conclusion. A short, clear statement confirming whether the equipment passed or failed OQ. If conditional, example, some minor deviations, state actions to be completed before moving to PQ. 10. Attachments, calibration certificates, drawings, diagrams used during OQ, equipment manuals, previous qualification documents, if relevant. Pro tip: always base your test ranges on your user requirement specification, URS, and design qualification, DQ. For example, during the testing of autoclave cycles, check temperature range, example, 121 degrees Celsius plus or minus 1 degree Celsius, pressure range, cycle time validation. Now let's have a look at some real pharma examples of operational qualification. Example 1. During HVAC system OQ, verify airflow velocities, HEPA filter integrity tests, room pressure differentials. Example 2. During water system OQ, check conductivity, TOC, total organic carbon, microbial count. Example 3. During tablet coater OQ, verify spray rates, drum speed, inlet air temperature. Always remember, operational qualification isn't just a checklist, it's your defense shield during GMP audits. Let's see the common mistakes that can occur during OQ. Starting OQ before completing IQ, missing alarm and interlock testing, using vendor default settings without verifying ranges, poor documentation, not enough evidence for auditors, not documenting minor deviations and corrective actions. Remember, in GMP, if it's not documented, it's not done. Always remember, a well-documented OQ protocol is your insurance against regulatory penalties. Auditors love clear, logical, fully executed protocols. That's bring it to summary and conclusion of today's video. Operational qualification is the proof of reliability before real production. It protects your process, product, patients, and your license to operate. Always use a detailed OQ protocol, involve your QA team, and test critical functionalities thoroughly. Coming up next, in the next video, we'll deep dive into performance qualification, PQ, the final and crucial step to make your equipment fully GMP certified. If you found this video valuable, like, share with your colleagues, comment your questions below, and subscribe to Pharma Health Insights and hit the bell icon for more real-world GMP content. Contact me, Rajesh Kapoor, at +91 9739 21 6355 or pharmahealthinsights@gmail.com. We provide complete GMP consultancy services from design to project management and regulatory inspection readiness.